Back to the Transactions tab, we have also developed this needs review function up here to help you with your accounting workflow. When you click on Needs Review, you have 4 tabs. First tab is Missing Label. It will show you all the transactions that are missing a label to prompt you to add labels and classify these transactions. Second, we have the Internal Transfer tab. This is where Cryptio will try and identify any transactions that could potentially be internal transfers and allow you to reconcile them. Next, we have the tab that shows all the transactions with an incomplete chart of accounts. For example, if we click on this transaction here, you can see we're missing the accounts here, therefore they're incomplete. That then is prompting us to go back to the chart of accounts tab in accounting and map those areas. Then finally, you have your Ready to be Synced tab. That is, transactions that have all these areas filled out. The platform knows what to credit and what to debit based on the transaction, and therefore is able to push this through to Xero or QuickBooks.